Mm-hmm. So he just flew over here and then he flew back over there. So I don't know if he's gonna come back again or not. So we'll see. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Are you coming back? Oh, there goes the other one. Oh boy. Okay, let me see. Where did he go? Oh, he went out to the street. Another one probably gonna be coming too. So we'll see. Guess they're trying to figure it out. He's just walking in the street. Okay, let's see if they come back this way. He flew right on over here towards me. Okay. They're looking for each other. Look at him. Mm-hmm. We'll see. We gonna take off? Okay.